Hi everyone, my name is Omar and I'm a master trainer working with Microsoft here in the Middle East and Africa region. Today I'm excited to talk about how Microsoft Copilot can make everyday schoolwork easier and more efficient for students. Look, Microsoft Copilot is an AI-powered assistant that integrates seamlessly with your favorite Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. With Copilot, students can quickly draft essays, reports, and homework by simply providing just a few key points. Copilot then helps organize thoughts, correct grammar, and improve the overall flow of the content. It's really cool because time really is everything, and Copilot saves you a lot of time. Need help with data analysis or creating charts for a project? Well, you know what? Excel is not always easy for everyone, but Copilot in Excel does a lot of magic and it can handle all of that stuff. It makes it easy to input the data, generate charts, and even perform complex calculations. Creating presentations is also a lot easier. It's super easy because the moment you share your ideas, Copilot will help you design slides, suggest layouts, and even provide visual aids to make your presentation stand out. So really, all you have to do is pick and choose, and the result is super professional, which saves you a lot of time. With Microsoft Copilot, I feel like schoolwork has become so much more manageable and less stressful. And this is really, really great, especially if you are a student or if you're a parent who has kids that are students. This is incredible. Students can really just focus on learning and being a bit more creative. It takes all of the extra friction out of the process. And Copilot takes care of that tedious stuff that you normally get caught up with and distracted with. Try that out. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys next time.